Hello and welcome back to Black Note Music Center. In today's tutorial, we are going to be breaking down a very simple song titled King of Eternity by SYLVIA and LoveworldSingers in the key of F sharp. I will play the song, then I will come back for breakdown. Thank you. That's all for the song. And as you can see, the song is very straightforward. So F sharp. Let's run our major scale on F sharp. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to 1, which is F sharp. F sharp is our 1, A flat or G sharp is our number 2, our B flat or A sharp is our number 3, our B is our number 4, C sharp or D flat is our number 5. Our number 6 is E flat or D sharp. Our number 7 is F, then back to F sharp. So the intro, so so la do la ti so. Again, so so la do la ti so. So our 4, on the left, B, F sharp, B. On the right we have E flat, F sharp, and B flat. Then 5. Our 5 we have C sharp, F, A flat. On the right we have C sharp, F, A. On the left, this is our 6. On the left we have E flat, F sharp, B flat. And then on the right you can play the same thing, or you can play like this. On the right we have C sharp, F sharp, and B flat. Then 3. On the left we have B flat, F, B flat. On the right we have C sharp, F, E flat. So everything together. Again. Again. Sorry. Then 3, 2. Okay. 2. On the left we have A flat, E flat, A flat. On the right we have E flat, F sharp, and B. For 3 we have B flat. On the right we have C sharp, F sharp, B flat. So our 5 here, our right stay the same, which is C sharp, F sharp, B flat. On the left we have C sharp and B flat. Then we move our right. Move everything. On the left we have C sharp, E flat. On the right we have C sharp, F and E flat. Then 1. This is our 1. You already know our 1 by now. So I'm playing everything together. So that's all for the intro. So then we enter the song. This one, my playing, you can go and you can pause and get this one. This one is very, it's very straightforward. You can get it from the playback. Pause and play, you get the progression. Then this one, the important part is the chorus to this one. Then 4. So here is E, then B, then back to F sharp. So this one is twice. Then this one you play this one also twice. E, F sharp, twice also. So then they did partial modulation on A. This is our. So what they did here, on A they went to 4, then 1. On the left we have D. On the right we have D, F sharp, and A. Then 1. So 1 is A, which is 1, the root. Then on the right we have C sharp, E, and A. Then go to this chord. So it's C sharp suspended 4. So on the left we have this one, we have C sharp. On the right we have C sharp, F sharp, A flat. You stay there. Then you are the great of king. Then we go back to our F sharp 2. Okay. You are if you like, you can add this one, but they stay on this. You are the king of king. But if you like, you can do from then you are the king of king. bend. Grab the chord. Then one. Then again. Then let me do that part. We can play like this. Okay. Yeah, I think that's all for the song. And thank you, and I will see you in the next tutorial. And don't forget, you can submit your song request if you have any challenging song. So not only limited to, so I'm extending it, not only limited to LoveworldSingers, but gospel songs. So you can send your request and let's break it down and do it together. Thank you and stay blessed.